Aminado ang tiyahin na pulis ng minor de edad na si alias Nash na sa pilitang pinasok ng kanyang pamangkin ang kanyang bahay upang makuha ang baril na ginamit sa Tacloban school shooting. Ayon kay Police Staff Sergeant Arla Ray Pasencia, sinira umano ng kanyang pamangkin ang nakalak na locker at gun box kung saan nakalagay ang kanyang service firearm.
Nash unlawfully entered my own house. It's not a room po, it's my own house. He forcibly damaged my locker. It was locked. And my house was locked as well. And my firearm was inside a gun box. The locker was as well locked po. And I am only the one who had possession of the keys to my house.
Inamin din ni Pasencia na nasa plastic locker lamang ang baril at hindi nakalagay sa safety bolt na siyang pamantayan sa pag-iimbak ng mga armas. Depensa niya, naniniwala siyang ligtas ang baril dahil siya lamang ang nakatira sa kanyang bahay noong mga panahong iyon.
Yung standard po is yung safety vault, but it was in good faith, ma'am, that I believe it was safe at that time. Since I'm only the one staying in my own house, I have only one locker in my room. And siguro naghanap siya kung saan ko pwede matagoan. Yun lang po ang area na may lock po.
Minsan na rin niya ang isinama sa firing range si Nash dahil pangarap umano nito na maging pulis balang araw. Una nang inalis sa pwesto si Pasencia at sumasailalim na sa administrative investigation kaugnay ng pagkakagamit ng kanyang baril sa pamamaril sa San Jose National High School.